Hi, everybody. Hope you had a good weekend and took time to be thankful for those who gave their lives for our country. This week we're on Module 6, so I wanted to let you know I have requested now for the second time the link to the Protection of Minors training. Soon as I get an email saying that it's been sent to you, I will let you know. Check your Citadel email, check your spam folders. It shouldn't take you too long once you get it, but I know that you need to have that before you can complete the work. So, Module 6 overview. This week we're working on empowering and holding others accountable. So this is part of the duty value, and it's also part of servant leadership. So empowering others and holding them accountable. Again, you'll do 2 different assignments along with some readings. And I see some of you are already in here talking about building high-performing teams. So take a look at the website and identify the top 2 reasons. Share what you've learned and respond to 2 other posts, though it doesn't say that this time. Your individual assignment is to reflect on the importance of psychological safety in your profession. Why is it important, and then how might you create it in your organization? This is a really hot topic right now, creating psychological safety. A lot of research has been done by Amy Edmondson, so you'll be able to find her book and some of her articles if you're interested in doing more work there. So let me know if you have any questions. Have a good week.